Hey guys, this is Mr. San again. We are here in this YouTube video. So right now, cylinder 2 has a code changing. I'm about to change the coil and the spark plug and oil. So this was like this. I already took it out. There's just a couple bolts, but just take it out like that. It's just intercooler. It's just the intercooler valve that goes to the turbo. Here's your intercooler, goes in there. Has a turbo, 4-cylinder. Turbo's right here. We're gonna go ahead and change this coil here. So I've already loosened it. I already took out the plug. We just press on this button right here. Take it out. And if you can't get out, just use a screwdriver and just kind of jiggle it right there. Just take off this bolt right here. Alright, pretty good bolt right there. Can't really see it. Oh, there you go. Boom. One bolt. So this kind of goes out like this. You just kind of wiggle it a little bit. And just pick it up. Give me 2 hands here. Set here. Let's shake. Oh, see, I just need 2 hands. Let's take it out. Alright, here's the coil. It's made in Japan. Made in Japan, baby. Original coils. Giving me a code for cylinder 2. So yeah, should be changing all of them, but I'm doing one by one. Whatever code gives me, I'll change it. So we got right here. So we got the spark plug in there. Looks like there's no oil in there. That's Jesus. I don't know if I could see it. Let me get the light here. See that? Ooh. Spark plug right there. Let me go get the spark plug tool, and I will be right back. Ugh, my alarm keeps on going off, and gotta keep on playing the video. So just boom, I let that thing just fall. Just like that fish that I dropped at